Hi everyone, let us unbox this hair dryer. I got it from Ross, double ceramic styling dryer, this one here. Let us unbox it. Has three sizes of foam. This one, and this type. This one is like a brush. So let us try to put and we see. Just slide in. Like it. Here it is off, low, high, cool. So let us try with the high. That's it. I've got my. It's better to read the manual before you can use it. So this is the manual. This is. Always read the manual before you use, especially an electric equipment. Thank you guys for watching. We have got the dryer for our 4C hair. This is what we're gonna be using to comb and somehow straighten it. Bye bye.